Alright.
What up, man?
I got a quick question for you, and I gotta let you know you on camera, brother.
Huh?
I said you on camera, brother. I got a quick question for you.
I'm on candy camera. Oh, all right.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, I gotta let you know so you don't go too crazy. You know what I'm saying?
What's good, bro?
All right, so I'm about to tell the people to go subscribe to TNT Garage, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. And I was gonna tell them that if they can get you to like 4,000 subscribers in the next month, you know what I'm saying, before April ends, then I gotta do something. So what's something that they want to see me do?
Man, that's a good question. Let me see. Does it have to be car related?
Yeah, it's gotta be car related.
Does it have to be? Can it be? Do you have a cap on how much you want to spend? Like if I make you spend something? You talking about like something, doing something crazy, right?
It could be doing something crazy, but it's gotta be as long as it's something that they want to see.
Okay. Let's see. Well, you put me on the spot. I would say do something in the truck, but you know I know the truck needs the transmission and everything put in, so I say pull an all-nighter.
An all-nighter. Oh.
All-nighter working on the C10.
Oh. Go live.
Go live on YouTube. And pull an all-nighter. That means go till 4 o'clock in the morning. All-nighter. You called the wrong one, bro.
I did.
You should have called your boy United by Truck because he probably wouldn't have got you that bad.
No, he wouldn't have did me that dirty. That's what it is.
Hey, but yeah, y'all gonna subscribe to my channel, man. 4G.
All right,
so, that's easy, man.
All right, so this
what
one.
I'm at 3,500.
You at 3,500 right now, brother.
Yeah, 3,500.
All right, y'all. So if y'all get TNT Garage to 4K, what we in April right now, right?
Yep, April.
All right, so 4K before May, and I'll pull an all-nighter, and I'll go live, and I'll work on the C10.
Yeah, boy, that's gonna be dope.
That's gonna be dope.
That's gonna be dope. I want y'all to subscribe just for that. I would love to have y'all over here in TNT Garage, but hey, I would love to see Star go 24 hours.
Oh man, that's gonna be crazy.
24 hours, but not 24 hours, but late night.
That's gonna be Kevin D ain't gonna hang for that.
That's gonna be tough, boy.
Kevin D is not gonna hang. You think? Wait a minute. You think I can get the transmission back in a night?
Boy, man, that's what I'm trying to get you to do. That's what I'm trying to get you to do.
Woo. All right. That's fair, bro. That's fair. All right, man. I'm a text you. I'm a let you know how it turned out. All right. I mean, hey, you'll probably see the video. You'll see the video.
Shoot, I'm gonna be on live, man. What are you talking about? Hey, I'm a fan too. Tell them, hey, I was a fan before I met you, man. Hey, I'm gonna be on the live.
Thank you, brother.
And I'm gonna hold you accountable too if you try to get off.
You know, that's fair.
4 o'clock.
That's fair.
4 o'clock, bro.
I can do it. But let me finish this video. I'll let you know how it turns out.
All right, go ahead, bro.
All right, man. All right. So yeah, I just wanted to put that on the video because I knew he was gonna come up with something retarded. All right. So like I said, if y'all get TNT Garage to 4,000 subscribers before the end of April, I'll go live and I'll pull a straight up all-nighter and I'll work on this C10. And God knows how far I'll get if if I'm on live and I got the pressure on me. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I feel like I'll get pretty far. What's going on, YouTube? Just your friendly neighborhood young Chevy truck trying to bring you guys another video today. And today I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what's going on with the C10, and I kind of had some some questions for you guys. So as you saw in the last video, I actually did I did get a chance to mount the shifter into the truck floor, so that's done. But now I have to do the cable, the shifter cable, got to mount the bracket on the transmission, and I got to hook up the reverse light switch, right? Or neutral safety switch up to the B&M shifter. What I'm confused about is where exactly is the reverse light switch in the C10, and also is the neutral safety switch and reverse light switch sort of the same, connected to the same situation in the truck? Because I would love to just splice one wire and take it out to the shifter and then be done with it, and still have like my neutral safety and still have my reverse lights. Because for those of you who don't know, for maybe some people watching who don't know, but the neutral safety switch, from my understanding anyway, is something that won't let you start the engine if it's in a drive gear. So if the car is in reverse, every new car has this. If your car is in reverse, you can't turn the key. If your car is in drive, you can't turn the key. It has to be in neutral or in park before it'll actually let you use the starter. It might turn the ignition on, but it won't use the starter, right? I want to integrate that switch to the new shifter. Also, I want to still have a reverse light at the end of all this, because that's just something you should have, you know what I'm saying? But I want to still have a reverse light at the end of all this. So I wonder, is that all conjoined into one situation, or are they two completely separate things? And if so, where are they? Where is the reverse light in the C10, or where is the wiring harness for the reverse light in the C10? And also, where is the wiring for the neutral safety switch? Because honestly, if I had to choose between the two, probably go with the reverse light switch, and just know not to try to turn the key when it's in drive, because it'll move. Okay, it probably won't move. I don't know what it'll do, but basically I would choose that over not having any reverse lights. So to make a long story short, I really just want to find a way to wire my my reverse lights. If I could get the neutral safety to go along with it, that would be nice. But if I can't, then I'm not really gonna sweat it. I'm gonna be the only one driving this thing, and so I feel like if anybody else was going to drive it, then I would be with them anyway. So yeah, I'm really worried about how I'm gonna wire it all together. So like I said, where is the reverse light switch? Where is the neutral safety switch in the C10? Or are they sort of conjoined in one system, one full system? Are they together in some way, shape, or form? So that would help me out a lot, and that would kind of motivate me to keep going. Be honest with you, this is the like the 5th take on filming this update video. I don't know why it's been so hard for me to talk to the camera lately, but yeah, it's I just had a lot on the brain, a lot of people, places on the brain, and so it's just been hard for me to get my point across on this camera. So this is the best take so far, so that's what it's gonna be. This one is gonna be the video, so I appreciate you guys watching it. But yeah, that's really the only thing holding me back right now. It's just the confusion on that. I haven't done any digging yet, but instead of looking for a needle in a haystack, I would rather ask somebody if they know something first, and maybe I can kind of narrow my results down just a little bit on finding what I need to move forward, because I really want to drive my C10 again and stun on everybody. Yeah, also, as you saw in the beginning part of this video, me and TNT Garage have a little wager going on. If you guys can get him to 4,000 subscribers before the end of this month, then I will pull an all-nighter and work on my C10. So I don't know what that's gonna entail, but I know I'm not gonna be done with the C10 before the end of the month, just because of time reasons. But if y'all end up going there and getting him to 4,000 subscribers before the end of April 2021, then I'll pull an all-nighter, I'll go live on YouTube, and I'll work on my C10, and I'll get as much as I can done, and I'll probably quit at about 4 in the morning and call it a day. But like I said, he has to get to 4K before that can happen. So make sure you go and subscribe. I'll leave the link down in the description. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm excited. I want to pull the all-nighter, okay? I want to pull the all-nighter. It's going to be tough. But, I mean, if the people want it, the people want it. You know what I'm saying? So the only way to tell me that you want it is by going and subscribing. But I think that's all I got for y'all in this video, man. I think that's all I got. I really appreciate you guys watching. I will see you in the next one. And have a good one.